Digital Electronics Part 2. In the last video, you learned about basic concepts of digital electronics. Based on that, some JEE, NEET, KCET problems. First one, the logic circuit given in the figure for logic operation. So see here, this is here NOT gate is there, so A, here it becomes A bar, so this is B only, and here NOT gate is there, so C becomes here C bar. So this is OR gate. So here what happens, A bar plus B plus C bar, and this is NOT gate. It performs is logical inversion. So our answer is what? See, if here if we assume the output as A bar plus B plus C bar as X, logical inversion here it performs. That one I will take here Y dash is equal to X bar. But actually X means what? A bar plus B plus C bar. Yes, according to De Morgan's law, what happens? See here, A bar bar dot B bar plus C bar bar. So according to that, our answer is C. Next, second question, to get output 1 for the following circuit, the correct choice for the input is, yes, here output we want 1, and this one is which type of gate it is? It is AND gate. When you will get 1 here, when both inputs are high, then only you will get 1. That means C here 1 it required, and here also we need 1. So C is 1. Which one is the answer here? See, check it. B. Only one option is there, that is B. B is our answer. Next question. Identify the logic operation carried out by the following circuit. Yes, see, this is which type of gate it is? It is NAND gate. So here 3 NAND gates are used. So if we are using 3 NAND gates, then our answer definitely OR. So our answer is D. For next question, the circuit gives the output as that of, yes, which type of output it gives? See, this is NAND gate, and this is NOT, and this is NOR gate. So according to that, see, NAND gate A dot B bar, and this one is C bar, and this is NOR gate. What happens if we assume this is X and this one is Y? So X plus Y bar. Again we are using here De Morgan's theorem. So according to that, we are getting AND gate. So our answer is A. Question number 5. If A, B, C, D are inputs to a gate and X is its output, then as per the following time graph, the gate is. So according to time graph, which type of gate it is? See, this one A, B, C and D, 0, 0, 0, 0, then output is also 0. A is 0, B is 0, C is 0, but D is 1. Yes, A, B, C is 0, 0 and D is 1, then output is 1. In next following other cases, yes, 1 is C. Here C is 1, D is 0, B is 0, A is 0, then also you will get 1. That means 0, 1, 1, 0, you will get output 1, 1, 1. So which type of gate it is? Yes, correct. Our answer is C. Identify the gate used in the following diagram. Yes, which type of gate it is? See, A 1 and B is also 1. When A is 1, B is 1, output you are getting 1. A is 0, B is 0, then output 0. A is 1, B is 0, then output is 0 when it happens. Yes, right, your answer is right. A is the correct answer. Next, question number 7. To get an output y is equal to 1 in the given circuit, which of the following input will be correct? Yes, we need here output 1. So if we want output 1, which type of gate it is? It is AND gate. So when both inputs are 1, 1, then only you will get 1 here. So C necessary to get 1 only, where C is 1 here, so our answer is 2. Next question. The figure shows the logic circuit with two inputs A and B and output C. The voltage waveform A, B, C are as given. The logic gate circuit is. Yes, here input A, B 0, 0, then output is also 0. A 1, B 0, then 1. Yes, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. Yes, 0, 0, 0. Which type of gate it is? Right, your answer is A. Thank you.